Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Today, I want to share with you a story that can truly inspire your mornings and your life. Imagine waking up without pain, without medication, and with a peaceful heart at 94 years old. You cook your own food, tend to your garden, and greet each day with calm and gratitude. That is not a miracle. It is the result of 5 simple morning habits that anyone can start, no matter the age. These habits changed one woman's life completely, and they might just change yours too. The first habit is drinking a large glass of water as soon as you wake up. Before coffee, before breakfast, just water. During the night, our bodies lose water through breathing and skin. Rehydrating in the morning wakes up the mind, reduces joint pain, and helps with balance and energy. Many studies show that even mild dehydration can affect memory and increase fatigue. So, before anything else, drink water. The second habit is getting a few minutes of early morning sunlight. Gentle sunlight between 7 and 9 o'clock helps your body make vitamin D, which strengthens bones, muscles, and mood. Just a short walk outside each morning can lift your spirits and bring back natural energy. The third habit is doing slow, mindful stretches. No force, no rush. Stretch your arms, legs, neck, and back with care. This simple movement helps improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and keep you steady on your feet. Movement is life, and your body will thank you for every gentle stretch. The fourth habit is starting your breakfast with protein. Instead of bread and coffee, try eggs, yogurt, or chicken. Protein keeps your muscles strong, your mind sharp, and your energy steady through the day. It also helps prevent weakness and fatigue. And finally, the fifth habit is a short morning ritual of calm and focus. Before the noise of the world begins, sit quietly, close your eyes, and listen to soft music or gentle sound waves that relax your mind. This practice helps your brain find balance and peace, just like deep meditation. It clears your thoughts and prepares you for the day ahead. These 5 habits are simple, free, and possible for anyone. They brought strength, clarity, and peace to a 94-year-old woman who once feared she would not live past 70. Take care of your mornings, and you will be caring for your life.